I had a guy that I knew who was in prison for a while and got out of prison and really had to change his life around. And when I talked to him, he's like, dude, you're never going to get me a house. And I'm like, relax, man. I'm telling you, I can fix credit. We can do this. And I remember at the settlement table, he had to get up and walk away because he was just like, I can't believe I'm here. And that's why I like doing the business. Like checks are great and making money's awesome, but people sometimes lose sight of, sure, it's the basic human need for shelter, but the concept of the American dream really is true. Like you really are helping people accomplish their dreams.
Yeah.
So it's awesome.
No, and to bring Andy Thom, who works with you, me and him had a client who bought, this was about 2 years ago in the height of COVID or towards the end when the market was really crazy. We were putting in offers everywhere. She probably put in at least 10 offers, getting turned down every time. We're getting outbid or a cash buyer came along. She was a single mom. She had 2 kids. And finally, we got her the house that she wanted in the town she wanted, and it was just a emotional.
Yeah, it's that
closing.
high five closing. You know what I mean, for sure.